So I've had my Sierra EV for almost a year now, and I've been wanting to get a tonneau cover that's better than the factory soft cover, and didn't want to spend a ton of money on a hard tonneau cover that oftentimes isn't the easiest to open and close. Well, today I have a review for you guys of the ONINE retractable tonneau cover that fits the Sierra EV and Silverado EV, and it's got a lot of great reviews, so I'm really excited to check it out. Now, they say that this particular tonneau cover isn't compatible with models that have the mid-gate, and that's partially true, but I personally have a vehicle that has the mid-gate, and I like it a lot. So I'll go ahead and get to that, but first let's go ahead and talk about the tonneau cover. So the ONINE tonneau cover features a retractable design that has a canister that takes up a small portion of the front of the bed where it retracts into when you're not wanting it rolled out. In practice, it works really well, and it actually doesn't take up that much space. It's also made from an aluminum alloy and is matte black, and it looks and feels great and really high quality. I'll go over the basic installation with you guys, but if you have specific questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Now, it comes in a large box and it's pretty heavy, so just be prepared for that. Everything is packaged very well. It's nice and tight with all the components protected. Here are the side rails laid out and the brackets to connect it to the truck. There are a lot of little pieces, so be sure to keep track of them really well. Luckily, it does come with some extras. And it does come with a detailed manual, so it's easy to follow. Here is the canister, which comes assembled with a tonneau cover already inside. You go ahead and connect the side rails to it and you bolt it together. And then there's also this front rail that you bolt to it as well. Here you can see it all connected. Be sure to hold on to those bolts and nuts really well so you don't lose them in the canister itself. Then there's this top cover, which goes on easily and has these snap-in pieces and bolts. They fit into the holes, you bolt them in, and then you close the cover. It's a nice, easy, clean look. Then you place everything on top of the bed and you center it, and you're definitely going to want to have some help here because it is quite heavy. Next, you have these bolts with a squared off head that you slide under the side rails into the slot. These are able to then be slid forward and backwards to get them in the right position. Then you have the side brackets that fit around the factory side and the tonneau cover, and as you tighten this center bolt, it squeezes it all together and holds it in place. And then that squared off bolt goes into the slot and you put a nut on it and it holds it in place there. Then once you have all that assembled, there are these caps that fit over it and give it a nice clean look. And it also comes with some drain tubes, which is nice. The rears fit good, though the fronts didn't really have an easy way to get it to work, so I left them out for now since I'm not personally that concerned with waterproofing, to be honest. You can absolutely get the front drain tubes to work. I just personally didn't want to take the time to do that because I was installing it when it was freezing outside and I was very cold. And then here is the final product. It's a nice clean look overall and it goes with the truck nicely. And like I said, it looks and feels very high quality. I'm very happy with it. I've actually had it now for a couple of months and it's been very useful. Opening up the tailgate, here's what it looks like underneath. There's this integrated light, which is handy too. Then we have the latch here, which locks and unlocks it, and it rolls easily back into its canister. And then with this integrated strap, you can pull it back to you. There are 3 automatic stopping points. One of them is close to the front of the bed. Then there's one towards the middle. And then there's the one all the way at the back. Then you just close the tailgate and you're good to go. I like it a lot. Now, like I mentioned, they say this isn't compatible with the midgate, and that's because with the canister, it actually pushes against the midgate and pushes the whole thing back about an inch. That causes about a 1-inch gap on the left and right sides, about 6 inches on each side. Now, I personally am not worried about that because it's only 6 inches on each side. The middle portion is sealed against the midgate, but if you don't have a midgate, it will have an even tighter seal for you. Otherwise, it works great and it looks good and it's very impressive for the price. I'll post the link in the description for you guys, but it's only $999 on Amazon for this manual retractable option, and it's $1,499 for the electric option. That's less than basically any hard tonneau cover I've seen, and with it being a retractable option, it's also more convenient to open and close than a hard tonneau cover. I like it a lot, and they have it for a lot of other trucks too, and it's pretty widely praised for its quality, especially for the price. Let me know what you guys think though, and let me know if you have any questions about it. Like I said, if you have any specific questions, put them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them for you guys. And as always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, hype the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.